Previously on Liam Legacy SA. So basically I have filmed this exact bus once before, but as you can hear, judging by the clip, I'm gonna let the bus speak for itself quickly. Do you all hear that? Yep, that's the gearbox. It's not shifting from second to third gear. What's causing this? Well, it's actually a faulty computer. It's not the actual gearbox and the fluid and the filter as I suspected last time. So, it's actually a blown motherboard. So basically the whole motherboard was split in two pieces and it was not allowing the computer, the bus, to control the gearbox properly. So it wasn't even shifting gears at all. And by the time I got to Claremont, it got so bad. It actually screamed in agony.
You know what I think it could be? I think it could be the fluid and the filter that's on the way out. The fluid and the filter in the gearbox could be on the way out. Okay. Yeah.
So what actually happened to this bus? Well, y'all are about to find out. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the show, folks.
So if you wanna shoot far away, I won't go back to you. I'm stronger, I'm stronger, I'm stronger today. I'm stronger today.
Look at that. She's working again. 5156. Let's see, it happened on Friday, September the 5th, and it was only shifting from first to second, and it didn't shift up from third to fourth gear. And look at that, the hydrodynamic retarder is fixed also. And it's been almost a month and they finally fixed this bus, which is good, because it was not good hearing it suffer like that. Now I have filmed this exact bus once before, but obviously it wasn't working properly. But as you can see, it's fixed. Anyways, I'll be quiet and let you all enjoy the bus ride. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the show, folks. Also, you won't believe what the root cause of the gearbox issues was. It wasn't even the fluid and the filter, it was a faulty computer. Basically, the motherboard was damaged and cracked in half, so yeah. But hey, At least it's fixed now. I might not even get this uploaded today. I might get it uploaded Friday because of my crappy internet and my crappy video editor CapCut. So yeah, I'm gonna do my best. I love that ditch. It's actually kind of fun flying in the air. Listen to that kitten purr. Anyways, I'll just shut up and let you all enjoy the bus ride now. It's a bunch of UCC students. UCC thinks they are all that. No offense, UCC. It was only a joke. Come on, guys. So we can get a view of this side now. I said shoot, not the S word, guys. Don't worry. I didn't swear. Yeah, I'm trying not to swear in my videos anymore because I can't afford to bleep any more F-bombs and S-bombs. So I said shoot. Huh, this is interesting. Oh, wow. I'm gonna ignore that, but look at this. I got some Bible verses here. God is loved by men. This bus is definitely sounding a lot happier and healthier. I'm glad they fixed up because she's all good now.
Wow, this bus sounds a lot happier. Alright, time for me to move to the front of the bus once again. You're probably wondering why I'm getting off here, right? No, I'm just going to Observatory. I'm supposed to catch my other bus that side. Yeah. Maybe. I wish. Yeah. Oh, I wish. No, I'm actually doing a... Yeah, I do. The Bountiful Bus, man. Well, I want to catch that one. Yes. Oh, 30 minutes. It's too hectic. Yeah. Yes. Now I'm just doing a video of the bus, man, for my YouTube channel, as always. Yeah. Now I have filmed this bus once before, but it was having gearbox issues. Yeah, but I'm glad it's fixed now. Anyways, thank you, Mr. Sallie. Have a liquor evening, brother. I'm gonna get That's fine. Oh, sure. Okay, next one. Alright, cool. Thank you. Oh, cool. Your thanks, ladies. Okay. Oh, wow. They're looking after me. They're looking after me, I see. No, that's good. So as I was saying, so I have filmed this exact bus once before on Friday the 5th of September, but it was having gearbox issues, man. So basically we tripped from first to second, but... Oh, I wish. But it's fixed now, yeah. Yes. I continue the video if you want. I continue the video if you want. But not, on a serious note, I'm glad they fixed this bus up because it was...
One thing that I don't have a lot of faith in the car, that is really...
Yeah.
Something wrong.
Yeah.
My mind doesn't function.
Yeah, true that. Anyways, thank you, Mr. Sallie. Have a good evening.
Hope you get it sorted.
Cool, no problem. Thanks, ladies. And she's all fixed. Oh, thank you. And there she goes.
I won't go back to you. I'm stronger, I'm stronger, I'm stronger tonight.